Good morning, everyone. Day 2 of the deep cleaning, Marie Kondo, whatever you want to call it, of my office. Everything has been taken out yesterday, and I am going through everything. So I'm going to start doing that here soon now that I just finished my breakfast. We're drinking my coffee, and I'll be taking breaks to do that. But I'm hoping to get this completely done and out of my living room by hopefully lunchtime, but we'll see. And then I'll move on to my next project. So wish me luck, and here we go. I am officially done going through all of my stuff in my office. I am laying on the floor, tired. I don't know what time it is. Let me look. Of course, my watch isn't working. What time is it? It's 10 after 12. Honestly, I think I did pretty good. I'm going to take a lunch break, and then I'm going to start moving everything downstairs into the guest bedroom. Yeah. I'm glad I don't have any guests coming for a while, because it's going to take me a while to go through the stuff that's currently in the closet of the guest bedroom and organize it so I can put things that I want in the closet of the guest bedroom, because that's basically my spillover. That's my storage for my craft room. So we'll see. I am very tired, but my living room is back to normal. Yippee hooray. I have my pile of stuff that I'm going to take downstairs. I know you're probably like, holy crap, you didn't get rid of anything. I got rid of some things. So yeah. But yeah, so I actually have one tote that I had earlier. I filled that up to the top of stuff. So yeah, I'm proud of that. So that'll be up for grabs later this week, hopefully. I'm gonna take a lunch break, and then I'm gonna start moving everything down in the basement into the guest bedroom. Yippee hooray. But day 2, being pretty productive so far. Okay, I'm done with my lunch, and I'm down in the guest bedroom. And for those who don't know, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. You all should know that by now. Anyway, so I've got my decorations and stuff up, and the room is pretty much organized in the sense of where my Harry Potter stuff's gonna go. But I told myself I would use the closet in the guest bedroom as my overflow for storage and things, for crafts that I don't use. So in my lovely closet, yes, I know, I'm gonna take these down. This is the space that I'm working with to have my overflow. So over here, I've got like pillows and things that'll probably actually stay in here. I've got some totes of things that are crafts. Some of them are keepsakes. I've got, my husband has books and stuff over there of things. We obviously have a pack and play that we will get rid of because my kids are old enough, they don't need pack and plays. And then I've got some fabric, and this is a skirt that's really poofy. And then I've got some more fabric and things like that. And then up top, I've got an embroidery hoop holder. I've got some ribbons and stuff like that. So I've got enough room, I think, to put all of the stuff that I had upstairs overflow-wise in here, but I want to organize it. So what I need to do first is move everything upstairs down here. And then I'm going to sort it into piles. So like sewing, scrapbook, whatever, and organize it in the way so I know how much needs to go where. The good news is I do have extra storage in here. I have this lovely dresser that is empty pretty much. It has a couple of things in it, you know, just some Harry Potter things, just a little bit. But it's got some stuff in here, but the majority of it is empty. And I have already start bringing some things down. And then I realized I probably need to have, you know, a video documentation of this. This underneath will be kept. I'll probably keep some of my Harry Potter stuff in there. And this is all decoration. So I'm not going to keep this for storage. It's going to be just for my Harry Potter things. So, sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm out of shape. But I'm going to go ahead and bring everything down in the from the living room to this room. And I'm going to basically fill it up again. Luckily, because of COVID, we don't have to worry about any guests coming to our house anytime soon. So it's okay if this room is a little messy. And then after I get done moving everything down, I'll tackle the next project. See you soon. Okay. I'm way out of shape. I'm really glad that I'm done. So I moved everything upstairs that needed to come down in the guest bedroom to the guest bedroom. So we've got all of this. The good news is most of this is empty, which makes me feel so good because I got rid of so much stuff. I put it upstairs in the office in its space. This is filled with all my yarn. I think I'm gonna keep that the way it is because it's just a box and it's a good box and why not? So anyway, so I've got all of this here. I've got some stuff on the bed, not a lot, and then those boxes there, and then some stuff over here. That's it. So yeah, I'm excited that I got a big thing checked off my list. Now I'm going to go into the large storage room and attempt to go through some things there. Because again, we moved in September and that room is a disaster. It basically looked like a storage unit threw up in there. So, and most of the stuff we need to get rid of. So I'm gonna go through that. I'm probably gonna do that for about an hour or two. And then we'll see what happens. I might take a nap. But tomorrow is another day and I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow. But I feel really good that I got the office done. I do have to clean up a little bit, like a little bit more. I do want to get some storage boxes and stuff so I can give my girls back theirs because I did take theirs out of their rooms and dumped, like, you know, merged a couple of totes together that are now overflowing in their bedrooms just so I could stick things away and put it away. So I'm hoping to get that done sometime. And then my office will be done. All I got left is to move my drafting table into the office and we should be good. I think Lily's excited that I have stopped going up and down the stairs because she gets all excited. She's like, oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Yes, I know. I'm all sweaty too. Yes. Anyway, your breath stinks. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna sign off and we will be back. I'll have pictures up shortly or later on after this segment of the storage room because you really don't need a video of me doing that because it's boring and yeah. So anyway, documentation, accountability. That's kind of what I'm going for all this week. So, right, Lily? Right? You good girl. Are you a good girl? Oh, stinky breath. Alrighty, well, take care. I will take some pictures of my progress in the big storage room. So, happy day 2? I don't know. It's not really happy, but it's day 2 of my life for my week. So, have fun. So, yeah.